UnicodeDecodeError, Ascii codec can't decode byte 0xe2 in position 13, ordinal not in range, 128. I'm using NLTK to perform means clustering on my text file in which each line is considered as a document. So for example, my text file is something like this. Now the demo code I'm trying to run is this. Which can also be found here. The error I receive is this. What is happening here?
The file is being read as a bunch of SDRS, but it should be Unicode's. Python tries to implicitly convert, but fails. Change. To explicitly decode the SDRS to Unicode, here assuming UTF-8. It could also be solved by importing the Codecs module and using Codecs, open rather than the built-in open.
This works fine for me. You can add a third parameter encoding to ensure the encoding type is UTF-8. Note, this method works fine in Python 3. I did not try it in Python 2.7.
For me there was a problem with the terminal encoding. Adding UTF-8 to .basic solved the problem. Don't forget to reload .basic afterwards.
You can try this also.
I got this error when trying to install a Python package in a Docker container. For me, the issue was that the Docker image did not have a locale configured. Adding the following code to the Docker file solved the problem for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.